Hello students, in previous video we have discussed various methods of valuation of goodwill, right? And we have seen the question number 13, question number 12. Today we will be discussing question number 13. Question is, A, B and C are partners in a firm. Their capitals are 2,50,000 A, 2 lakhs rupees B and 1,50,000 rupees C. Their business earned average profit of 96,000 rupees. This is the average profit, that is 96,000 rupees, and the normal rate of return is similar business 12%. What is this? This is normal rate of return. Ascertain the value of goodwill by capitalization of average profit method. Concentrate on this. That method is capitalization of average profit method, right? We have to follow that steps, and by following the steps we will be calculating the value of goodwill, right? Start solving question number 13. Calculation of value of goodwill. Calculation of value of goodwill, and method is capitalization of average profit method. In that method, in first you will be calculating what is the average profit, right? In the first you will calculate average profit, that is given in the question rupees 96,000, and in the second step you will calculate capitalized value of average profit. What is capitalized value of average profit? Formula is average profit into 100 upon NRR, normal rate of return, that is given in the question 12, right? Then capitalized value will be rupees 8 lakhs rupees, right? And in the third step, number 3, you will calculate what? You will calculate net assets. Net assets, or you can say capital employed. This will be, what is the formula to calculate net assets? Net assets or capital employed can be calculated by formula. Formula is, I have told already also, net assets is equal to total assets minus outside liabilities. Which liabilities? Outside, which you have to pay to the outsider. Or second formula, all the capitals of the partner, जो भी कैपिटल्स है वो ऐड करिए, प्लस सारे करंट अकाउंट ऐड करिए, करंट अकाउंट ऑफ द पार्टनर, प्लस पीएल अकाउंट का क्रेडिट बैलेंस ऐड करिए, प्लस सारे रिजर्व्स ऐड करिए, ऑल द रिजर्व्स, माइनस पीएल अकाउंट, that is debit balance. Net assets can be calculated by two ways. First one, total assets minus outside liability, or second one, all the capitals plus current account का balance, that is credit balance, plus all the PL account balances, credit balance, reserves, all the reserves, and minus PL account debit balance, right? but in the question only second formula can be applied, that is all the capitals, and capitals are given A, B, C, D. A is capital 2,50,000, B is capital 2 lakhs rupees, C is capital 1,50,000, and no other information is given, then the total capital employed will be rupees 6 lakhs. And step number 4, अगर आपको याद हो, step number 4 will be goodwill. Goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus net assets, or you can say capital employed. This will be 8 lakhs rupees minus rupees 6 lakhs. Your goodwill is coming rupees 2 lakhs. This is the value of goodwill by capitalization of average profit method. In the first step, I am revising again. In the first step, you will calculate what is the average profit of the firm. In the second step, what is the capitalized value of average profit. In the third step, you will be calculating what is the net assets or capital employed. And in the fourth step, you will calculate easily goodwill. And goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus net assets or capital employed. This question number 13 done. Now see question number 14. Question 14 is Anupama, Purnima and Ruchika are partners in a business. Balances in their capital and current accounts as on 31st March 2019 were Anupama, Purnima and Ruchika. Capital accounts are this: 6 lakhs capital of Anupama, Purnima's capital 5 lakhs, Ruchika's capital 5 lakhs. Current accounts also given: Anupama's current account 60, Purnima's 30, Ruchika's 10,000. Right? These are the capitals and these are the current accounts. The capitals and current accounts and reserves all together known as capital employed. I am repeating again: capital employed and current accounts and all the reserves PL account together known as capital employed. But you have to remember one thing: debit balance is the negative balance. Debit balance is the negative balance and credit balance is the positive balance. It means this plus this plus this plus this minus 60,000 minus 30,000 plus 10,000 will be the capital employed of the firm. Right? After that, the firm earned an average profit of 2,40,000. Average profit is given. First step is given in the question. In the second step, you will calculate capitalized value of average profit. Right? In the third step, capital employed. In the fourth step, goodwill. Right? If the normal rate of return 12%, find out the value of goodwill by capitalization of average profit method. Method is capitalization of average profit method. Same method. Then try. In the first step, calculation of value of goodwill. These are very easy question. Step number 1. What is the average profit? We have to calculate or given in the question. This is given in the question rupees 2,40,000. In the second step, what is capitalized value? Capitalized value of average profit. Formula is average profit into 100 upon NRR, normal rate of return, that is 12, and rupees 20 lakhs. Right? In the step number 3rd, what is the capital employed or net assets? Capital employed will be all the capitals of partners, right, plus current account का क्रेडिट बैलेंस माइनस करंट अकाउंट का डेबिट बैलेंस. सारे कैपिटल ऐड करिए, करंट अकाउंट का क्रेडिट बैलेंस ऐड करिए और करंट अकाउंट का डेबिट बैलेंस लेस करिए. कैपिटल्स आर 6 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 5 lakhs, these are the capitals, plus minus 60,000, the current account balance of Anupama, minus 30,000 current account of Anupama, and plus 10,000. This will be rupees 15 lakhs 20,000. This is the capital employed. In the 4th step, goodwill. Goodwill will be this capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. And capitalized value of average profit 20 lakhs minus capital employed rupees 15 lakhs 20,000. Your goodwill will be rupees 4 lakhs 80,000. This is the goodwill by the method capitalized value of average profit method. Right? Next we can see question number 15. Question 15 is saying, calculate the value of goodwill according to capitalization of super profits method. Capitalization of super profits method in the previous question number 12. You have to solve question number 12 as per the capitalization of super profit method. Right? See the question number 12. Again we have to solve this question number 12, but by the method capitalization of average nahi, super profit method. First I will revise you the steps of super profit method, capitalization of super profit method. If we talk about capitalization of super profit method, then in the first, average profit. In previous video I have explained these steps. Again I am revising this. First you will calculate average profit. You know how to calculate. The second step, normal profit will be capital employed. कैसे निकालना है कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड? यू आल्सो नो these two formulas. नेट एसेट्स और कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड बोथ आर द सेम. तो नेट एसेट्स कैसे निकालना है? टोटल एसेट्स माइनस आउटसाइड लायबिलिटी और ऑल द कैपिटल्स प्लस करेंट प्लस ऑल दिस थिंग्स. राइट? कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इनटू NRR means 12% upon 100. This will be your normal profit. In the third step, you will calculate super profit. Formula of super profit, average profit minus normal profit. In the fourth step, you can calculate easily goodwill, but formula of goodwill will be here super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. These are the 4 steps to calculate value of goodwill by the method capitalization of super profit. On the basis of these steps, we are going to solve question number 12. Question number 12. Actually, we have to solve question number 15. For this question number 15, we have to solve question number 12. Average profit already given. The total assets of the firm are 8 lakhs. Value of other liabilities 5 lakhs. I think if we subtract from total assets to other liability, we can get net assets or we can get capital employed. If we subtract from 8 lakhs minus to 5 lakhs, answer will be 3 lakhs, and 3 lakhs will be the capital employed, right? Average rate of return 12%. All these things are given. Capital employed का formula भी given, assets minus liabilities, right? Okay, by following these steps, we are going to solve question number 15. Calculation of value of goodwill. The first step, average profit that is given in the question rupees 48,000. The second step, it is the normal profit. Formula of normal profit is capital employed into NRR upon 100. But in the question, capital employed is not given. First, calculate what is the capital employed. Last in the working note. तो कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड को ही बोलते हैं हम लोग नेट एसेट्स इज इक्वल टू टोटल एसेट्स माइनस अदर और आउटसाइड लायबिलिटीज. Total assets are given rupees 8 lakhs minus liabilities, I think 5 lakhs are given, right? Answer is rupees 3 lakhs. This is the capital employed. Put the value of capital employed here, 3 lakhs, and into NRR is 12%, 12 upon 100, this is coming rupees 12,000. Yes or no? Step number 3. What is super profit? And super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. It means 48,000 minus 36,000. This is 36,000. Right? This will be rupees 12,000. This will be 12,000. This minus this. Okay. The last step, you can calculate what is the goodwill is equal to formula of super profit into 100 upon NRR. Super profit मतलब 12,000 into 100 upon 12 will be the 1 lakhs rupees. This is the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method. In the first step, average profit, In the second step, normal profit. In the fourth step, super profit, and in the last, goodwill. Right? Now we can do question number 16, and it is the last question of the chapter. And after that, very many additional questions are given. You can do by yourself. Practice questions are given also. Okay, question number 16. The following information relates to partnership firm. Profits, losses for the last 6 years. First year 20,000 profit, second year 60,000 profit, third year 10,000 loss, fourth year 60,000 profit, fifth year 50,000 profit, sixth year 72,000 profit. Okay. B. Average capital employed is given 2 lakhs rupees. Capital employed also given. Rate of normal profit is 15%. NRR, normal rate of return, is given. Find out the value of goodwill on the basis of number 1, 4 years purchase of average profit. 4 years purchase of average profit. This is the method number 1. In that, goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase. Second one, 4 years purchase of super profit. This you also know. This is the second method, right? In that, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase. Number 3, capitalization of super profit. This also know. Right now I have discussed how can calculate value of goodwill in capitalization of super profit method. What you will do in the question? First, with the help of these 6 profit or loss, you can calculate average profit. After getting average profit, you can calculate normal profit. 2 lakhs into 15%, 30,000, right? After that, super profit you can calculate AP minus NP. After that, you can calculate goodwill. Try by yourself. Question number 16. In the next class, we will be discussing another chapter. We will be starting another chapter, that is admission of new partner. This chapter is now finished. Additional questions you will be doing by yourself, and many illustrations are given also. Try to solve these illustrations. Now we can finish our class today.